Hello everybody, take this green clay and press it, make the grass like this. We are making flamingos by pasting these pink clay balls. Give it shape like we are doing here. Add more details and look, it is ready. Paste this dry twig on the sheet of paper. We are making colorful owls by pressing these clay. Paste googly eyes and we are making its ears. Draw its tail like we are doing here and look, it is ready. After this we are going to add more details like we are making green leaves by pressing clay. We are also making a bunch of grapes like this and look, your artwork is ready. Draw a semicircle. We are drawing a jellyfish here. Draw its large eyes and its tentacles. Then we are going to draw grass and more details like different small fishes and starfish. Color it and add clay balls to the tentacles and your artwork is ready. We are going to press these colorful clays on the sheet of paper, and what we are drawing here, it is a butterfly. Add more details like we are adding its googly eyes. Draw grass around it and look, your beautiful artwork is ready. Take this tissue paper, color it and make small pieces of it. Draw a circle. We are making a clown here, so add more details like we are doing here. Then press clay on the top. After this we are going to dab these colorful tissue paper on the top of the clown and look, it is ready. Here we are going to make this clay rainbow, so put this circular box at the center. Then we are going to cut it. We are making colorful droplets like this and look, your artwork is ready. Let's make a beautiful craft using popsicle sticks. So paste all of them together. We are coloring it. We are making scarecrow here. So color it like this and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.